Welcome back. Canconkaars are furious over the brutal rape and murder of a fisherwoman at Rajbag. More than 700 people thronged Canconkaars police station demanding action by Sunday. If police fail to meet the Sunday deadline, Pagi community will launch a massive agitation on Monday. Fisherwoman observed a total ban of fish market on Saturday.
Vijaya Shashi Pagi's body was found in hilly areas of Rajbag, Mastimar on Friday. Police registered a case of rape and murder. Canconkaars are fearing for the safety of women after this daylight murder of Vijaya Pagi. Around 700 Canconkaars were present at police station on Saturday morning.
काल जेन्ना पळय हे कळ्ळें न्ही तेन्ना इमिजिएटली एक्शन सुरू करून जे पळय शोधकारी किंवा जे हे करपाचें काम लेट सुरू केलां तितलो डिले जालो ना कितें तो म्हणटाले ना सगळीं न्ही एक 15 ते 20 जाणां 10 जाणांचो एक ग्रुप कित्याक ताजो मोबायल मेळ्ळा कित्याक एरिया कोणी शेवटून मारूंक शकता कित्याक व्हडले एरिया सर्च करचे पडटले सो ते भुरगे आमकां कित्याक
Pagi community will wait till Sunday. If there is no arrest, they will launch a massive agitation on Monday. Saudi fish market was closed on Saturday as a mark of protest. Meanwhile, Congress has lashed out at the BJP-led government. Desh Prabhu says crime rate is increasing and detections are inversely proportional.
As to who has raped her and who has committed the act of crime. The crime rate in the state of Goa is increasing with such alarming speed. But the crime rate detection seems to be inversely proportional and it is going down.
With Pabesh Borkar from Canconkaars, Omkar Farari for Prudent Media.
Goa will have first of its kind Academy of National Security. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has announced that new subject based on national security can be introduced in college curriculum in the state. While inaugurating 2-day seminar on development and security of Indian islands and coastlines, Parrikar said that he will ensure a secure Goan coastline. Former Chief of Staff of Navy Admiral Arun Prakash said that neighboring countries like Pakistan and China can target Indian uninhabited islands, resulting in another Kargil.
2-day seminar on the issue of development and security of Indian islands and coastlines was inaugurated on Saturday at Kalangut. Forum for Integrated National Security is organizing this seminar. During the inaugural session, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar said, Goa's coastlines are very important for national security and government has taken up steps to secure its coastlines. Parrikar announced that Goa will have first of its kind Academy of National Security.
Shortly you will get my announcement on setting up of an academy which I think fields can operate. The state government will set it up. It can be a college of national security, school of national security, whatever word you use. But I think it is very important that we understand these aspects.
Speaking on the occasion, former Chief of Staff of Navy, Admiral Arun Prakash said that India is having about 500 uninhabited islands and neighboring countries like Pakistan and China can target these islands as another Kargil. Admiral Arun Prakash said, once American forces are withdrawn from Afghanistan, Taliban may pose serious threat for India.
Our security predicament is likely to worsen as Pakistan awaits a withdrawal of the US forces from Afghanistan, and then it is likely that they will unleash a massive Taliban assault on Kashmir and other parts of India. Given our past record of complacency and myopia in the strategic domain, there is understandable anxiety regarding the ability of our politico-bureaucratic establishment to cope with the emerging security challenges.
While the former Director of Intelligence Bureau, Ajit Doval, said anti-national elements can abet people living in coastal areas for terror activities.
Large stretches of our coastal areas are far from the habited areas.
And because they are distinct, there are no connectivity and communication. We don't even know what's happening in those sleeping in the villages, which are too far. There is no presence of the state there or of the security agencies there. And if anyone is landing there or somebody is indulging in certain activities, just because we do not know, we think it does not exist.
Mukesh Kumar and Omkar Falari for Prudent.
Even after taking decision to give grants to English medium schools of minorities, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar still feels that English cannot light up the future of students. He claimed that students who study in Konkani and Marathi languages can do better in maths. Parents should send their students in Konkani and Marathi medium schools. It is the responsibility of school teachers to give better quality of education to students. CM was speaking on the occasion of Sampedra Primary School annual day function.
भाषेचेर बरो कंट्रोल हो मराठी शाळेचो भुरगो इंग्लिशीचेर घेवंक शकता हाचें डायरेक्ट उदाहरण जर कोणाक पळोवपाचें आसत जाल्यार तें हांगा आसा. आमी काही प्रयोगूय केल्या फुडल्या वर्सा हांगा आमी हाडटा प्रयोग केला. इंग्लीश खूब जाणांक पालकांक चिंता आसता इंग्लिशीची, भुरग्यांची इंग्लीश फुडें बरी येतली काय ना, इंग्लिशीन शिकलो जाल्यार भुरगो फुडें वतलो काय कितें. जाल्यार हांव इतलेंच सांगूंक सोदता की कोंकणी नाल्यार मराठीन जो भुरगो शिकता ताजें गणीत सदांच बरें जाता, कारण ताका गणीत सारकें समजता. आनी म्हणून आमी सगळ्यांनी विचार करून भुरग्यांक कोंकणी मराठी शाळेनूच घालूंक जाय. आतां शाळेची क्वॉलिटी, शाळेचे दर्जो वाडोवपाचें म्हाका दिसता टिचरांचेर चड आसता. ज्या जाग्यार बरी टिचर्स आसा त्या जाग्यार हांव पळयता की भुरग्यांची कमीपणां, कमतरता ही खंयच्याच सरकारी शाळेंत जावंक ना. त्यामुळे इंग्लीश शाळेंतल्यान गेलो म्हणजे आपलो भुरगो एकदम फॉरेनरा भशेन इंग्लीश उलोवंक लागतलो अशी कोणाची समजूत आसत जाल्यार चुकीची आसा.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.